Hey everybody, we're going to be flying today from Kilo Lima, actually that'll be November Mike 53, we're going to be flying to Echo 89er, so hope you guys enjoy, and we will start flying. November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, radio check.
2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, 5x5.
November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, radio check.
2 Alpha Charlie, 5x5. November 752 Alpha Sierra, radio check.
November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, radio check.
Got you 5x5, not sure if you got me 5x5 though.
November 752 Alpha Sierra, do you hear me?
I do in fact hear you, 2 Alpha Charlie, I don't know if you hear me though.
Try turning on your avionics. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and taxi behind you, so you can go ahead and start with taxiing.
Austin Signal traffic number 752 Alpha Sierra, taxiing to runway 20 for the eastern departure.
Today we're going to be going ahead and taxiing out behind November 752 Alpha Sierra, also known as Flight Dude. I'll probably be
2 Alpha Charlie, flight at 2 again.
for him, so. Repeat for 2 Alpha Charlie.
2 Alpha Charlie, are we flight of 2 again?
Hey firm, you want me to lead this time?
Sure, let's do it.
San Miguel traffic November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, flight of 2, we're going to be taxiing runway, November 752 Alpha Sierra, what runway is this?
2 Alpha Charlie, we're going to be 20.
And San Miguel traffic November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie is going to be a flight of 2, departing runway 20 to the east. San Miguel traffic.
Yeah, but Charlie, I pulled over the side so you can go ahead and take off first. We can take off in at the same time if you like.
Hey firm, that's what I'm thinking.
Cool, well you taxied to the grass, but that works.
Yep, I wasn't able to get by without hitting your wingtip, so. You want to go ahead and taxi onto my wing?
Yep, I'm on your wing right now. Ready just to turn when you are.
Alright, I'm ready to go, so I'm just going to push up the power. Alright, and I'm at full power now. I'm going to do a brakes release in 3, 2, 1, brakes release. Stay in ground effect so I can gain some speed to get over this hill.
I'm over the top of you, 2 Alpha Charlie.
Hey firm, and I'm now climbing up.
Awesome, I got a visual of you. I'll slow down once I'm got to my cruising here.
Hey, firm, and I'm now starting my turn. There's a short runway.
Sure, can't believe we made it.
Hey, firm. San Miguel traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, flight of 2 is turning crosswind for departure to the eastbound. We're going to be heading out to 8,000 today. San Miguel traffic. And I am now proceeding to intercept our course, so 752 Alpha Sierra, if you want to get on my wing, I'm just going to proceed direct.
Yeah, sounds good. I have no visual of you. Can you state your speed?
I'm going currently about 90.
Awesome, I do not have a visual of you. Let's stand by just a second.
Alright, I am proceeding to intercept the course at about a 45-degree angle, so I'll just be on course, and when you see me, you can join up. And San Miguel traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, is going to be a flight of 2. We're actually going to be level today at 7,000. San Miguel traffic.
6,000 2 Alpha Charlie?
There'll be 7,000. I'm level at 7,000 right now.
Awesome.
And I pulled my power back, so you should be able to catch me.
And just to inform, I just have no visual of you. I'm intercepting the flight path as well.
Hey, firm, you're probably like directly above me or below me or something. Are you level at 7,000?
Stand by just a second on that. Got a visual of you, yep.
Alright, I'm going to turn back on course here. Awesome, so then I have my power pulled back, so you should be able to catch me if you run full power. And today I'm going to be the lead in formation, and 752 Alpha Sierra is going to be a partner formation member. So normally I would be the partner formation member and I'd fly behind him, but today we're going to switch up the roles. So. I can't see you, but granted this S172 is a chicken box, so I can't really see anything anyways. So I'm going to turn on course here.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm working with the autopilot again.
And I'm going 105. Got the airplane all trimmed out, so it flies hands off, which is very nice.
Yep, cut up on your left wing.
Left or right?
On your left, I'm a little behind. Stand by on that, though.
Okay, yeah, I'm not going to be able to see you because my view will not get that far. Which is fine.
Can you state your altitude there, 2 Alpha Charlie, the exact altitude?
6,900.
Awesome, that sounds good. Can you maintain that 6,900?
Yep, I am.
Also, can you take your speed to Alpha Charlie?
Speed's gonna be 100. Actually, correction, it'll be 95.
Oh.
I'm gonna speed up to 100 though.
Yep, you're right in front of me, dude.
Alright, I sped up to 100. One thing, if you need to slow down quickly, flaps and side slit will get you slowed down pretty quick.
Yep, looking okay. I'm right on your wing.
Perfect. I don't have a visual because I cannot turn around far enough to see you, but I assuming that you were there, so. And I'm going to turn slightly to the right, about 5 degrees or so, so then we can just have a straight-in approach on runway 09 at Conscious Lake.
Conscious Park is the thing which you're going for, but sure.
Okay, I have Conscious Lake written on the sectional.
Okay, that's fine. So you're saying that you want to do what?
If you follow the course I'm on right now, I just sped it up, so we'll have a straight in.
Sounds good.
About 9 nautical miles to the northwest of Conscious Lake, and then we're going to be doing a formation landing into there. And I got lots of neat things on this panel. I'm working on getting my instruments in, but I got a Munseater panel that all works. Comms panels from Prop Wash. Flight Dude, November 7512 this year is also known as Flight Dude. He does a review on their autopilot panel, which I do not have, but he also has their comms, and it's fantastic. Highly recommend it. I might do a review on that as well, but I'm not sure.
Shelley, you want to go ahead and make that 8.3 nautical mile call?
Yeah, I was going to make it at 7.5.
Yep, not a problem at all.
Wait for us to intercept the ILS. So.
Do 68, 67.
Repeat, sorry, I was transmitting as well.
No, all good. Do you want to go down to 68, 67?
I mean, we can. I'm just going to maintain this until we intercept the RNAV or ILS. I think it has both here. And then we'll turn final and announce straight in runway 09. Oh, I see what you mean now. I thought you were talking about altitude, not distance, so I'll make the call at 6.
Yep, okay, sounds good. About altitude, though.
Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie's got a flight of 2. We're going to be inbound to land runway 09 for a full stop. Conscious Lake traffic. And we're going to be 6 nautical miles to the northwest. Forgot about that. And Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie is a flight of 2. We're going to be descending 6,000.
Charlie, do you have a side of me? Do you have a visual of me?
With the 2 views I have programmed, no. But I'm sure you're probably right behind me.
Actually, probably right in front of me. I'm on short final for runway 09.
Okay, yep, I'm on short final as well. I'm pretty high though, so I'm descending. So my before landing check, I'm going to be verifying my mixture's rich, have all my lights set up, and then I'll slowly add in flaps, but I got to descend quite a bit right now, so. Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie, flight of 2, short final runway 9, full stop. Conscious Lake traffic. And I have visual of you, you're ahead of me.
Yep, really, really fast too, so stand by.
Yep, I slowed down and descended a lot, but you're actually right about where I am, just slightly ahead.
Alright, should I call a break-off then?
No, we can just land. You just land first.
Okay, sounds good.
And the reason we're doing all these hops is we're doing a cross-country flight. So we started in KPAE in Washington. We're going to be landing in first flight in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. We're a little over halfway there right now, so we just passed Santa Fe a couple hops ago. Scenery looks fantastic right around here.
Yep, I'm on stereo cockpit right now, so stand by.
Affirm. Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie is landing behind 2 Alpha Sierra, runway 09, full stop.
Contra Lake traffic, number 752 Alpha Sierra, clear runway 09.
I just did one of the shortest landings ever.
That was a pretty good landing. A pretty good approach, at least.
Affirm. And Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie is behind 2 Alpha Sierra, about to be clear from runway 09. You gonna go ahead and taxi to the parking?
Yep, stand by on that. Yes, I am taxiing to parking. I think I'm going the wrong way, though.
If you take a left.
Yep, sounds about right. I'll turn around just a second.
Alright, I'll lead. Conscious Lake traffic, November 2 and 2 Alpha Charlie's gonna be taxiing to parking with 752 Alpha Sierra. We're gonna be taxiing the FBO, Conscious Lake traffic. And I get a guy to marshal me in. Nice.
Awesome.
And that'll be it for today, everybody. We just landed in Echo 89, so pretty good short flight. We'll be continuing this flight, or this series rather. And coming soon, I'll have a full overview of all the different sim parts and the sim tour, so that'll be coming out soon. So, see you next time.